Okay, let's click the open button and select Excel 2K expert folder, and from the file of type arrow let's select text files, and now let's double click on Excel test.txt and select delimited. Well, it's already selected by default, so next. And we want tab selected, which is the default, so we can click next again and verify that general option is selected, and next for finish. And now let's go to the insert menu and say worksheet, and then go to the data menu and select pivot table and pivot chart report, and click external data source, and next, and click the get data button and double click on products and scroll down and click on products, and let's move that one over by clicking that button, and next, and next, and next, and finish, and finish. And now click the pivot table wizard button and the layout button and drag the product name field button to the page area, and drag the supplier ID button to the row area. And now let's drag the unit price and unit stock buttons to the data area. There's unit price and units in stock up the top on the right. And now double click on sum of unit price, and let's select max and OK and OK, and finish. And now click the drop arrow for cell B1, and let's have a look at Boston crab meat, and click the OK button. Okay, now we can close that, and we don't need to save it.